As per media reports, Eiswerth was in the passenger seat of the vehicle which was struck by another vehicle in Pennsylvania. According to Pennsylvania radio station WKOK, the crash occurred at the intersection of Route 11 and Country Line Road in Cinder County, where Eiswerth resided. Eiswerth died on the spot as a result of blunt force trauma. Eiswerth was a wrestling enthusiast who was the handle at Team Carl Forever on TikTok. Local company 5 Star Wrestling paid a tribute to Eiswerth through an emotional Facebook post. Thanks for watching. For more, like and subscribe this YouTube channel.